Hey friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am totally explore you three amazing text to image or art generate. It's absolutely free. You can generate any photo, any art. It's absolutely free. You don't need any payment, any card requirement here. Just drag and drop, then your image are ready. Number one tool is Lexica.art. This link I will attach in description below. You can see this is a dashboard. Here is lots of millions free art and image already generated. You can download. It's absolutely free. You need extra cost. You can see this one. If I see this one, you can see this is a Cristiano Ronaldo. You can download this photo. It's absolutely free. Just click and this icon, then your photo are downloaded. If you want to generate any other photo, example of India woman, just type here. Then here is a 1 to 12 column. You can see is one column. You can see wow. You can see here the all female are Indian style. You can generate any art, any photo. It's absolutely free. Wow. If you want to download this photo, just click this icon to download it. You can generate any photo. Example of here. Just click here. Wow. You can see here lots of savage. I generate. It's absolutely free. If I want to download this photo and just click this button, when you click, you can see this four type of photo. One is four. So you can download any photo, any art. It's absolutely free. I'm going to second tool. Second tool is the Adobe Firefly. It's absolutely free. Photo to image, text to image, generate field, text effect. So I will discuss this video text to image. Just go to Adobe Firefly. This link I will attach in description below. Then click here. You can see this is interface. Now click text to image. Just click here. Then wait a few seconds. You can see this is an interface. You can download this type of all photo. You don't need any payment, any card requirement here. Just go to this form. Then download button. Click. Download start. Wow, this already created this website. So if you want to download example of this art, just click here. Then you need to select aspect ratio. Here is the four type of aspect ratio: 16:19, square, 1:1, then landscape, then portrait. So I don't need it changes this option. Then select a content type. What type of photo you want? Example of photo, graphic, art, none. So I want to select none. That's it. So I want to download this photo. Just go here, then download button click. Already downloaded, started. Applying content, create. I'm going to number third. I'm going to number third. Text to image generator. It's openart.ai. It's absolutely free. Just log in here. Then you can see this is interface. Here is just type example of office. Just enter. Then wait a few seconds because this is the processing time. Wow. You can see this is a office. Now if you select stable diffusions, I am select mid journey. This unmark. Just select mid journey. This is a filter. Wow, this is really good. I really like it. This office. So if you want to more video about this type of AI, ChatGPT, make money online, please comment below. I will try to reply all comments. See you in next video.